baseball, baby. It's back. What's up, traders? Opening day, kind of. It's not home opening day. However, it is the first game of the season. We actually are currently losing to no other than the Yankees. But, I've come to get used to losing, being an Orioles fan over the course of my life. We had a couple stints here and there where, we thought about trying to win, but just didn't happen. However, let's take a look at the markets today. We didn't trade. However, there was one trade that we kind of missed, but with everything going on, we kind of weren't really here. So let's just take a look at it. So that one trade would be HBI. So right at the bell, HBI started to do its thing. We actually took a look at the daily. We're going to make this one short and sweet. And we saw that there was some nice resistance here over 19. So it looked like she was going to go there at first. She made a move all the way from down here at right under 1750, and she went straight up to 1830. I was kind of expecting maybe a little bit of a pullback because I pulled it up right again late right at the top, and she started to form this pullback, but she was kind of stopping up here. She didn't make this full pullback right away. And let's see if we can see it on the 1 minute actually. No, I guess, it was throughout that candle, but it took about 30 seconds of hanging out up here before she actually made that move down. But anyways, it felt like she had more, and we were looking for that 1850 to really get extended and, just give us the best entry possible. She didn't get there, and then she flushed on us, and at this point, okay, we could be looking for a descending triangle, so we were keeping an eye on it, and then she just kind of kept on dumping, went through VWAP and everything, so it ended up being a no trade for us. But this was a pretty good setup. I really do need to start having faith in the overall edge of the strategy, which is, when she gets really extended, it can't hurt to maybe take a starter position here and then look to add over that 1850. So that way, we're not missing these good moves, because it's been happening a lot lately. I've been noticing it the more and more. I'm looking for that consistency, and I'm trying to be green on every single trade, and it is a little bit, fearful. You don't want to see red. So I've been trying to nitpick the stocks that I do trade, and I've been looking for the perfect entries, and you're not always going to get perfect entries. As you can tell, there's been a lot of days where I'm not trading. So, this is a perfect example of, could have took a starter here, and if she decided to keep extending, I could have added and, still got this nice move. And as you can see, it was a really nice move. But I don't really have anything else for you today, guys. Tomorrow's Friday. I actually plan on going over this week as a whole, probably tomorrow or maybe even Saturday, just how this week was playing out with all these low float, micro float stocks that are just unpredictable and why you shouldn't be playing them. The one today, just to take a quick look at it, there was actually a couple, but the main one was CLWT. And this thing was getting halted up. It was getting halted down. You would assume this looks like a descending triangle. It's about as much of a descending triangle as you can get as far as the looks. You had a para move, and then she starts, forming her descending triangle, and then what she do? She breaks out. And these weren't small moves. These were big moves. Like this one candle was 935 all the way to 1058, so it's over a point. This is a 2-minute chart, but still. And this thing's just been making unpredictable big moves all day. So people that are trading it, power to you. I can't trade these. They call them account killers for a reason. But with that said, guys, we'll get more into that maybe tomorrow or over the weekend. But like and subscribe if you haven't already. Go Orioles. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Go Orioles. I know we suck. I get it. You can tell me we suck all you want. I'm still going to watch them. It's what I do. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you tomorrow. Peace.